Kahinyaw tarik Risaw arajar afulay. Kanyay lang kasingi. Ini kaway ni kisingi ka bangiutam bat kibasno sitam. Nagamta ka Risaw bat kinang gijangka. Ngilawan kan mau badeh ka ni kasingi. Baki leno Hamas akapor baka Israel kampoy perkat AA. Ini kamcim lapoy perkat. Baki leno ken tombori kaput jangka. Bat ikichnang kebenar po kaput. Akaba kamba kat aspangut kibriu kira syak penyap beng. Bat perat aspangut pat kila syak rakbor syaki benta jong ke Gaza. Kendi gede kesengi kaba ke partai kala kendit. Ke Israel kala kenyu namar ke jeng tombor jeng ki Hamas. Takaba penpra ye ki jengker apa ki kaput. Takaba set yap ye ki briu. Kibrang lekmen haki festival. Badai kendi kesengi ru baka Israel ke kendit tiak. Hadin bun putri kisnam. Bakalong kari ka bakrabor kaliang sipai bat kaliang yadari. Andai hakani kasingi kala pendit ria bakala pendemwan. Namar jing tombor jengki Hamas namar bakajing syak tombor. Kamtam ek benta jengki kaput jengka. Hadin sistem tam jengka ni kajing tombor jengki leano Hamas. Ka Israel kala yok ban set yap. Ya wei naki komanda la neki rangba jengki leano Hamas. Ubalailam ya kani ka kenhun ban tombor di kaput jengki Israel. Ubadal dehi ula komanan ulelam ya kenhun je ki hajar mut ki leno man thambori ki kaput bat kumjuru ki snang ki thau ki badana kaput yang ke Gaza bat ke Israel. Bat unu komandal anu he je ki Hamas ulelam ya ke kenhun man rabor man penyap ya ki babun ki kun Israel ugertak Muhammad Abu Itiwi. Nongtrei ka balengok kalong baki sipai Israel ki lapru ba uni orang ba leno je ki Hamas. Haga juga poru udai Nongtrei juga United Nations Relief and Works Agency Hari Palestine yang dikatakan UNRWA. Sipai Israel kila panjang pensyain dekat United Nations kumno Nongtrei jongka bertain nakam ta banyarap iki brio ki bapang ki basitam mensami ki jingerap nakam ta ki padwer jongka Palestine kalalong unungalam jongki Hamas.
Yesterday, the IDF struck and killed one of the terrorists who invaded Israel on that dark day and was directly involved in the murder and abduction of Israeli civilians. Muhammad Abu Itiwi was a Nukhba commander in the El Burej battalion of Hamas's Central Camps Brigade. He has also been employed by UNRWA since July 2022. We have the records to prove it. On October 7th, Muhammad Abu Itiwi commanded the attack on the bomb shelter in Reim, where young people fleeing the Nova Music Festival were taking cover. From this bomb shelter, on the side of the road, Hirsch Goldberg Poland, Alon Ohel, Or Levy, and Ilya Cohen were all taken hostage into Gaza, and many others were murdered. Israel has requested urgent clarifications from senior UN officials and an urgent investigation into the involvement of UNRWA employees in the October 7th massacre.
Aga juga por ki sipai IDF ke lalapru akawai ni kisnang ke bana po kaput jangka Lebanon bat ke Israel. Hakaba hakani kisnang. Laman kawai pakawi ka thuying kidan ki Thma hakaba ki leno Hezbollah ki persang bandung se ki benta jangka Israel. Man thumbo di kisnang ki thak be marjan baka pani hidup katno. Ki leno Hezbollah ki dan ke jengtu man kurup bat ban rabon dan ban penyap ye kinang song jangka Israel ki bana po kaput jangka Israel bat ke Lebanon.
Of ammunition. We have a heavy truck with rocket launchers. We have here a lot of ammunition. All that you see here we found in a Lebanese village just 200 meters from the border. We found their infrastructure. We found there a lot of equipment that the Hezbollah terrorists wanted to use against the villages here in the north. We go into the village, we find those infrastructures, we destroy them, we bring out all this ammunition and all of this equipment. And as you can see, all this was supposed to be used against our Israeli cities and villages here in the north.